Hey everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing and a small demo of an item I got from Harbor Freight, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, so let me get a light ready. Alright, so this is the Kenway 4-way trailer light tester from Harbor Freight. It is part number 64871. Pop it out of the plastic. How to use: have an assistant read the tester while you're operating lights in the vehicle. Plug tester into 4-flat connector on your tow vehicle. Turn on running lights in the tow vehicle. The tail light on tester should light up. Activate left turn signal. The LT light on the tester should light up. Activate the right turn signal. The right turn light on the tester should light up. Press the brakes in the tow vehicle. Both LT and RT should light up. If tester lights do not come on, check the connection with your 4-flat plug. Light failure on the tester or lights coming on in the wrong sequence indicates a fault in the trailer wiring on the tow vehicle. Check your vehicle wiring diagram for correct sequence. So we're just going to run out there real quick. Take it with us. I'm going to grab a light because it's getting dark. I think it is already dark actually. Yeah, it's pretty dark. This light on the camera isn't doing too bad of a job. Might not need this light. No, it doesn't look like we're gonna need this light. Alright, so I'm gonna put the camera right here. I'm gonna pop the harness down so it's easier to see. That should be alright. Alright. I'm going to turn the lights on. Alright, so the tail light is on. There you go. That is because I turned the driving lights on. Okay. The left blinker is flashing. Driver side blinker. The tester is not showing driver side blinker, or LT. Okay. Passenger side blinker is on, and the RT light is flashing. Okay. Okay. I'm going to turn the hazards on. Okay. Both the hazards are on. The only one that's flashing is the RT. The LT it's flashing a little bit. Very little. Which is the yellow wire on this harness, which I had done a video, a very long diagnostic video on this harness, and this yellow wire is not getting enough 12-volt signal, so that's why it's doing that. Okay. So the tail light is on, and the RT light is on, but the LT light isn't. But, and you can see I have my brake pedal actually pressed, because the third brake light up there is on. So, there's definitely something wrong with the harness. I'm going to turn the lights off. So it just looks like the brakes are being pressed. Okay? So I turn the tail lights off where the running lights at night are off, and the only one that's staying lit is RT. LT is not lit at all. So there is definitely a power problem on the driver's side yellow wire. And then this is lights on. So by doing this quick test, because I know there's a problem with this harness, we know that this little tester works. And in my personal opinion, for $3.97 or what it was, I think it was like $3.97 or $4 something. For that amount, it's a pretty good tester. Because I know there's a known problem, so I just figured, hey, I'd give it a test. And here's that broken rubber mount that I'm going to replace with that other one from the previous video. So, just a quick little demonstration video. Turn the key off. So I appreciate you guys watching. I just thought I'd show it to you for, you know, the cheap little price it was, and figured, I know I have a known issue. If it works and it shows the problem with the known issue, then it's definitely worth the $4-something after tax, I think is what it was. So it was $3.99. And it was $4.36 after tax. You know, I honestly don't think that was a bad deal, to be honest with you. That was a pretty good deal. So the way it works is, if you have your running lights on, the tail light lights up. If you have your left blinker running, or your driver's side blinker, the middle one flashes. If you have your passenger side blinker, or right truck side blinker flashing, the far one to the right flashes. If you turn your running lights off, the tail light icon should go out. And if you step on the brakes, the LT and the RT, these two should light up. So the tester works just like it's supposed to. It's also got like a little keyring hole if you want to put it in your keyring, which is kind of nice. I'm thinking I'm going to go pick up a couple more of these and leave one in the truck and put one on a key ring or whatever, and give my wife one if she needs it. it's a nice little tester. Appreciate you guys sticking around. Part number again is 64871. You know, it'd be cool if they had a couple of these for like the 7 flat or the 7 round or 5 round. Because this one's for 4, but you know, the 5 flat would be nice. The 6 round, 7 round, 7 flat. There's a couple others that, you know, it'd be nice to see these little testers on. Nice quick little tool. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
Yeah.